Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your digital product in Stripe and attach it to a funnel, as well as set the pricing of your product. Now, this video is going to assume that you already have your Stripe account hooked up through the integrations. If you have not watched that lesson yet, go ahead and reintegrate through there. Because again, you want to make sure if you click into the settings, integrations, you want to make sure that you have live mode and test mode enabled here with Stripe. If you don't have that, go back, and what I want you to do is hook up your Stripe account and then come back to this lesson. Now, you don't actually have to have your digital product created just yet, but what you will do is once you have it created, you're just going to enter it into a workflow. If it's going to be a PDF, that's going to be delivered via email. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go here onto the left side. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go here into payments on the left side here, your lead Vortex account. From payments, we're going to go here into products across the top. From payments to products. And your page should look something like this. What's going to happen now, we're going to hit this blue button here to create a product. You're going to enter your product name. You're going to go to enter your digital product name here. This short description is going to be internal. This is something that you're going to remember, but the customer is not going to see. If I could spell remember. Okay. Now the product type, we're going to put digital good because this is a digital product that we're delivering. If you want to upload your product image, your visual representation to it here, that's fine. But this is something that's going to be internal, something that your customer's not going to see. And then on the bottom here, your statement descriptor, this is what your product is going to show on the customer's credit card statement as. So what you want to do is you want to put something like business name, product. But you're limited by characters. So again, you might want to get creative, and sometimes people will put these in all caps. I generally would put this on all caps, but you'd have to put your business name and then put your product. So that's when the customer swipes their credit card, they know exactly what the charge is for, and you don't have people asking, hey, what's this charge? Or you don't have them disputing charges they don't remember because they're never fun. On the bottom here, the next thing you're gonna do here is pricing. So pricing name, I would make this one-time payment or standard pricing, something that you're going to remember. Now, since this is a low ticket digital product, we're going to go one-time payment. It could be anywhere from $1 to $10, especially if it's a tripwire offer. We're going to make this offer $7. Now we're going to hit create. And when that's done is that's just created our digital product inside of our lead Vortex account. What we have to do now is we just have to go and attach it to a funnel. So what we're going to do there is we're going to go into sites, find our digital product funnel over here. Go to our two-step order form, make sure that we have the funnel step here highlighted. Then we're going to hop here into products on this little tab here on the right. Then we're going to hit this green button that says add product. What we're going to do now is just going to bring you to this screen where we add products to the screen. You'll see this little drop down. You're going to see your digital product name actually appear here. Now price, this is the pricing name from before. So if you had a one-time payment or you had a special price or you had a sale price, this is going to help you determine what price, you have one product with multiple pricing, multiple tiers. That's why you want to put the name and not the number for the price that's on there. So one-time payment. We're going to save that. Go back into our funnel step and we are going to preview this page. All right, so now that we're inside of our two-step order form, if you go in here, we click onto the two-step order form. We'll go over here to the advanced tab, show step 2, and you'll notice that this still says $99 dynamic item. That's because this will always say $99 inside the builder, but when you preview, it's going to pull the pricing name and the price from the product that we just attached to it. So if we go up here, we hit preview, it's going to pull. Let's actually put, we'll test out our opt-in form. And you'll see right here, you see how it says digital product name, $7. The price will pull right through there. So I hope that helps. Once this product is set to your page, your order form will work, and you can then deliver your PDF through an email, which I'll show you in a later lesson. But once this is here, you can start collecting money from your two-step order form. See you in another lesson.